So for today's watercolour project, we're in Sylt, spelled S-Y-L-T, an island off the coast of northern Germany. And what appealed to me about it was the real three-dimensional look, because we've got this brilliant contrast of red and white on the lighthouse, but with quite a mellow, warm evening sky, and then these sort of dark brown grasses blowing in the wind in the foreground. The lighthouse itself involves quite a little bit of detail, but not particularly difficult, and you have the advantage of quite a free, loose foreground and a loose bit of wet in wet for the sky. So probably I'm calling this a grade one of the less involved paintings to do, and quite pleased with the result actually, although I do feel I've overworked the foreground, so you might want to bear in mind when you do that. But I really enjoyed this one, especially when I got into some fine detail on the lighthouse. Quite pleased with the sky as well, and as you know, if you get your sky right, you're quite excited about the whole project there and can't wait to get on with it. So yeah, a really enjoyable one. I hope you like it.